progressive journalism, like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updates.
Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Sunday paid tribute to former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi at Shakti Sthal in the national capital on her 37th death anniversary. Taking to Twitter, he said, "My grandmother continued to serve the country fearlessly till the last moment. Her life is a source of inspiration for us." Best example of women power, humble tribute to Indira Gandhi on her martyrdom day. Indira Gandhi served as the first and only woman Prime Minister of India from January 1966 to March 1977, and again from January 1980 until her assassination in October 1984. She was shot dead by two of her own bodyguards at her official residence at Akbar Road on October 31, 1984, which led to anti-Sikh riots in several parts of the country.